a better view of this. Look at this.
Guys,
Oh my!
stop it. Take out the ice crackers. This is how we take the ice.
Yeah, break the ice! Just like an ice Jaws comes out. That did nothing. You guys, is that ice solid?
Guys, come next to the
Wow, you know.
Guys, come right here.
Why?
This wood is stuck in the ice. Get a chainsaw then. Oh my god, it actually is.
Oh my god. Woo. I am so dumb. I am so dumb. Me too. Brennan, show them your dance.
So guys, I made a circle. Right here is our plan to destroy the ice. This is pretty much... Okay, shut up. I know this isn't the center, but... Oh! Who said it couldn't?
Oh, look, Cam fell.
Said it couldn't be. You okay, bud? Not that I'm really worried, but...
What's better? Best brother ever right there. Yeah. Yo. To your deed home.
Oh my god, they're coming to kill us!
Holy God!
Everybody run!
Run! Look at this! So many seagulls! Why is this? Run! 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 Come on, bro! Every man for themselves! Oh my! Why is there so many? Those are all seagulls!
This is surrounding us!
Why are they around us?
We did not
Die!
We did not Photoshop this.
Brendan died. Oh my God!
We are not.
What the heck is this? Look, there's barely seagulls over
We
there.
are not.
Why are they around us? Hey! Want to see this episode? I swear, if one drops by, I'm gonna run faster than the freaking Flash.
I know.
Oh my God! I'm gonna break through. I'm gonna become the speed barrier, or whatever it is, Speed Force. Oh my God!
I might have lost another icebreaker, Omega.
Oh, and you might have drowned us.
We might have run. Like I'm not even joking. Oh my god, there's like a...
They're coming closer. There's more.
They're making a penis in the sky. You see there's the two balls. There's the penis.
Wow, that's wrong much.
Well, they're going away at least.
This is my daily life, you guys.